Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I would be swatching and sharing with you all the nail polish shades that I have from Colorbar. Now I am a nail polish hoarder. I like to collect nail polishes and I do have an overwhelming collection of more than I guess 200 bottles of nail polishes. They all are from different brands and from different color and price ranges, and I do actually love all of them. In the past I used to do nail art and that is the reason I used to collect nail polishes with different textures. A few months back or I guess it was the last year, Colorbar launched 1001 shades of their nail polishes. They all were divided into different color categories and each color category had like 10 to 12 shades. So I bought 8 shades from the collection, each from a different category of colors, and today I would be swatching all the 8 shades in the video. Now these are the 8 shades that I have in my Colorbar collection, and I would be swatching each one of them and would be talking about each one of them in the video. So just let's get into the swatches. The first and the lightest shade that I have in my collection is shade number 813 and is called Nude Pearl. The shade Nude Pearl is a very light pearly pink which requires at least 2 to 3 coats to become visible. It is a sort of shade that can be used by office going ladies or college going girls to get a simple yet polished look. Next shade I have is shade number 768 called Sunset State. It is a bright orange nail color and is one of my favorite shades from my collection. The color might not be everyone's first choice, but it is a perfect shade to add a pop of color to any outfit. Now, because I love orange so much, the next nail polish belongs to the orange family as well. The third shade is shade number 488 and is called Madison. It is a slightly deeper orange and is comparatively easier to wear. This is a good color for girls who want to experiment with orange nails but are not comfortable with bright oranges like Sunset State. Now coming to another unusual shade that might not be everyone's color of choice but is perfect to add a pop of color to any boring outfit. The yellow shade is shade number 1083 and is called Sunglasses. This particular color has a slightly thicker formula which makes it streaky in the first coat. 2 to 3 coats of the polish are required to get a fully opaque, non-streaky nail color. The next color, shade number 1011, is called Silvery and is comparatively different from all the other shades that I have shown so far. Although the shade is called Silvery, it is not a silver nail polish. Silvery is more of a pearly grey polish which is a perfect color for goth look. The color looks slightly deeper in the bottle as compared to on the nails. Coming to another bright fun color from my collection called Tennis. Tennis is a pretty green color that actually looks sort of yellow in the first application. This nail color is more on the sheer side and even 2 coats of the polish are insufficient to get a fully opaque color. The seventh shade from my collection is shade number 408 and is called Crimson Glow. Crimson Glow is a sort of duochrome nail polish which again is on the sheer side. It is an easy to wear nail color that looks good on both long as well as short nails. The eighth color that I would like to share is called My Things and it is shade number 706. My Things is a beautiful pastely purple which gives a completely opaque color in just 2 swipes. This is a fun color but is wearable at the same time. So now as we are done swatching all the 8 shades from the collection, I would like to talk a little bit about the polish itself. So this is how the nail polish looks. It is made of a very beautiful looking thick square shaped glass. I love the fact that this bottle is square shaped and not like some of the other polishes. The reason that if you have a lot of nail polishes and you tend to store them in a drawer, you can't actually recognize the shade when you look from the top. But even if these bottles are kept in the drawer, you can easily recognize the shade from the top, which makes selecting the desired color an easy job. Now, the name of the color is mentioned on a sticker which is pasted at the base of the nail polish. The logo of the brand is embossed on the top. Now just opening the bottle. This is how the wand of the polish looks like. Now I am sharing this wand with you especially because this wand is a little bit thicker as compared to the wands which are normally present in other nail polishes. This wand is thick enough to completely paint the nail in just one single swipe. Like just one swipe of this wand can cover the entire width of the nail, which makes applying the polish a very quick job. All you have to do is apply it 5 times and you're done with one hand. Now coming to the drying time, these polishes hardly take around 20-30 seconds to dry. Some of them don't even need a second coat to give you an opaque nail. The retail price of these nail polishes is 199 rupees, which is on like an average side. It is not very cheap and not very pricey. These are actually cheaper than the K-Beauty ones which I swatched in one of my last month's video. But I would say that I like these Calabar ones a little bit better as compared to the K-Beauty ones. If you are somebody who love to paint their nails, then Calabar is the perfect brand for you. They have every color imaginable, like 1001 shades. What more can you ask for? So that's it for today's video. If you would like me to swatch nail polishes from some other brands, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.